Russian troops keep on making the same mistake over and over again, as 4 Russian supply trucks met up out in the open within Ukraine's striking range to transfer resources to each other, as each truck could have been followed by a drone, and doing it midday parking with such close proximity to each other, with no visual or protective armor, is asking for trouble. As a GMLRS rocket strikes close by, damaging several of the vehicles, one truck manages to flee as well as the troops abandoning the vehicles. As a second strike hits a bit closer, a fire is created by some ammunition in one of the trucks, causing the fire to spread and the ammunition causing larger explosions, most likely completely destroying the 3 remaining supply trucks, leaving 3 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.